Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Land Cruiser vs Raptor, which is better. Follow along and pause where helpful as I compare capability, comfort, and ownership costs step by step. I'll highlight real-world strengths, typical trade-offs, and who each truck best suits so you can match features to your driving needs. Listen for driving feel, cargo practicality, and long-term reliability insights that matter most when choosing. Let's dive into performance and handling in a clear, friendly way tailored for listeners deciding between the two. I'll describe engine character, how suspension setup affects off-road versus highway manners, and what drivers report about steering and brakes. You'll hear practical examples about towing, passing on ramps, and uneven terrain so you understand how each platform performs in real use. Stay with me for concise comparisons and driving impressions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future comparisons. Quick recommendation: I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make long drives and camping food much easier, and they're surprisingly handy with truck life. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover comfort and ownership in approachable terms to help with long-term thinking. I'll compare seating, cargo flexibility, and in-cabin features that affect daily usability. Then we'll touch on maintenance expectations, typical service needs, and resale tendencies so you know potential lifetime costs. This section aims to clarify which vehicle feels better day to day and which may be kinder to your wallet over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.